So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a country of visit to Bean app. To add a country of visit, simply click on the plus in the top right corner. Now you can select countries, regions, cities or airports. I will be selecting countries, and you can filter by just searching it like that. So let's maybe type that in. Then you can see your previous visits if there were any, and you can select whether you've been there, you've lived there, or wish to be there. And here you'll have the beginning date and the end date of your stay. Then you can also add additional icons like the airplane, maybe train or bus or a car or a boat. Just select whichever one feels correct, and let's do it. So let's select the date first. Now the certain type of transportation, like let's select maybe the train. Yeah, I was there by train. You can add optional comments as well, and let's click on add visit. Now you can see the visit is added. If you want, you can add more or just click on close. Now if you exit out of here, you'll see on the map that there is Czechia currently selected. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.